Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi. I hope you all are safe at your homes and doing all the maths questions very clearly. Students, today I'm going to give you a revision of Unit 2. So I hope you will understand it carefully. So let's begin with the new video. Okay, good luck. Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi. So students, today I'm going to give you a revision of Unit 2 again. That is 4-digit numbers. I have told you about these numbers. What are they? They are 4-digit numbers which have 4 digits in them. Okay. So let's start with our exercise 2A. This kind of question that I have not told you, so I'm telling you today. This box consists of 10 rows and 10 columns, so it consists of 100, or we can say 1000 in a whole. So this is 4 boxes, that means it has 4000 in it. It is a 100 sheet, 100 columns, 100 boxes sheet. So we have 3 sheets with us, so that is 300. Then nothing, so 0. Then we have 6 boxes, so 6. So how can I write them here? This is one box, so that will be 1000 plus 1 2 3 4 5 sheets, so 500 plus 1 2 3 3 boxes, so 30 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. So what it will become? 1538. You can do it in this manner. Now next question is our fill in. 1000 plus 200s plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. So 1000s will be 1000 plus 2 hundreds, 4 tens means 10 plus 3. So it will 1243. Now next is write the number shown on the abacus. So at the ones place we have 3 beats, so I will write 3 here. Then in the tens place we have 2 beats, so I will write 2. 100 place also it's 2 beats, and ones place it has 1. So in this manner you can write the solution on the abacus. Okay. Now write in the short form. So 1000 plus 500 plus 32 plus 2, so that is 1532. Expanded form में you have to expand them. So 3000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 8. Okay. Now exercise 2B question, write the number names. That means you have to write these numbers in language form. So first of all write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So it is 1000, so I will write 1000. Then 300, so 300, and then 26. Okay. If you have a question like this, so how will you write it? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So it is 1000 and no numbers after it, so we'll write 1001. Now next we have writing figures. So for that just write it down: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 here. Okay. So this is 3000. So 1000 के नीचे 3 we will write. 800, तो 100 के नीचे I'll write 8, and then 54, तो 54. Okay. If I have a question like this one, 7000, तो 1000 के नीचे I will write 7, and then 300, तो 100 के नीचे 3, and the rest places will be zeros. Again we have number names, so you can write, I'll do one for you. So this will be ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this is 4000 and 0, 100, so we'll not write it. Then 15 and 15. Okay. Now write in figures again: ones, tens, 100, 1000. So it is 4007. तो 4000, 1000 के नीचे 4 और 7, तो 7 विल बी आर वंस प्लेस, और जो बीच में डिजिट्स बचे वहाँ यू हैव टू राइट ज़ीरोज़. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट द नंबर दैट फॉलोज, यानी यू हैव टू राइट द काउंटिंग. तो इट इज़ 1005, 1006, 1007, then it will be 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013 and 1014. In this manner you have to write these questions. Count backwards, that means like back counting which we have done. तो 1020 से पहले it's 1019, then 1018, 1017, 1016, 1015, 1014 and 1013. You have to count backwards and fill in the numbers. Okay, now continue the pattern. I have told you this question last time. Now I am going to tell you this question. It is 5015, 5020, 5025. As you can see, 5000 is same in all, and then 0 is there. Then we have 15, 20, 25. That means we are adding 5 with each number. So what will be our next number? 5025 में अगर 5 ऐड किया जाए तो it will be 30. 5030 में 5 ऐड किया जाए 35. 5040, 5045, 5050, 5055. Fill in by counting forward. That means you have to count them. 3015 के बाद you get 3016, and then 3017, 3018, 3019, 3020, 3021, 3022, 3023, 3024. Okay, now count backwards. This question also I have told you have to count backwards and then fill in the numbers. Like 2180 से पहले 2179, then 2178, then 77, 76 and so on. Again we have continued the pattern. 3020, 3030, 3040. What will be our next number? 3050, because we are adding 10 with each number. 3060, 3070, 3080, 3090 and 3100, because I am adding 10 with each number. Now we have write the predecessor, the number before, यानी इस number से पहले what comes that you have to write. तो 1000 से पहले what comes, as I have told you कि जितने zeros हों उतने 9 लगा दो. Then जो भी 0 से पहले वाला नंबर है उसमें 1 माइनस कर दो. If I will subtract 1 from 1 then I'll get 0. So this is our answer. Again I'll do the question, this one. जितने zeros हैं write down 9 there. 3 zeros है तो 3 9 लगाओ. 9 है उसमें -1, I'll get 8. So this will be your answer. In the same manner in this question, 2 9 लगाएंगे and then 1 में 1 माइनस करो 0 8. This will be your answer. Write the successor, the number after, यानी इसके बाद क्या आना है. 4868. 1700 के बाद 1701. Write the number before and after. 1000 से पहले 999 and then 1001. In the same manner you will write all these questions. Number between, यानी what comes in between the numbers. तो 1110 के बीच में 1111 आएगा. Okay, then 1112. In the same manner we'll write these questions. Now let's come to 2C. Write the place values of each digit. तो place values I have told you is the position of a digit in a number. तो it's very easy. If you have to write 5 का अगर आपको यहाँ पे place value लिखना है, 5 के बाद how many digits are there? 3. So you will write 5 and 3 zeros with them because it is on the 1000th place. Then if you have to write 2, तो 2 का digit कहाँ है? 2 के बाद कितना digit है? 1. So you will write 20 only. Okay. If I have to write this number, तो I have told you this method also कि 3 का अगर place value लिखना है तो 3000 place पे है तो 3000 लिख दो. अगर 0 का place value लिखना है तो 0 का place value तो 0 होता है. If you have to write 5 का place value and it is a tens place, तो you have to write 50. 8 का place value 8 ones place पे है तो 8 का place value will be 8 only. Fill in 2458, 5 is in dash place. कौन सी place पे है? तो first of all write ones, tens, 100,000. तो 5 is on tens place, so you will write tens place. 2 is in the thousands place, so you will write thousands place. Okay. Now in 7683 the digit in the thousand place is, तो ones, tens, 100,000, तो thousand place पे कौन सी digit है? 7. I'll write 7 here, and the place value of 8 will be, 8 is at tens place, तो it will be 80. Got it? Now the place value for 9, 9 के बाद 2 zeros are there, तो 900 लिख दो, या फिर you can see कि वो 100 place पे है, तो आप 900 लिख दीजिए. Okay? Now exercise 2D. You have to write greater than, less than or equals to. तो just see first numbers first. 2 और 3 दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है? 3, तो I will write greater than sign here. ओके. अब 6, 6 दोनों में 6 सेम है, फिर यहाँ पे 6 है सेकेंड टर्म में और यहाँ पे 2, तो विच विल बी ग्रेटर? 66 वाला विल बी ग्रेटर. ओके. इन द सेम मैनर 9000 और 4000 में 9000 इज ग्रेटर. ओके. नाउ इफ वी हैव 4 6 7 8, 4 6 7 8 दे बोथ आर इक्वल, तो आई विल राइट इक्वल्स टू साइन. Write the smallest number. You have to write the smallest number from these numbers. So first of all check out. This is a 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. तो कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. We just have to write it. Okay. Again, in this question all the numbers are 4 digits. So we will check their first number. 6, 3, 2, 7, 5. तो कौन सा छोटा है? 2. तो I will write it here. Now write the greatest number. तो 4 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. तो that means 4 digit number is the greatest one. तो अब उसका first digit check करते हैं. 2, 1, 3, 4. तो 4 is greater. 4, 3, 2, 2. Now in this question, all the numbers are of 4 digit, but everybody is starting from 7. तो 7 से start हो रहे हैं. Now we will check the second number starting with 3, 0, 3, 1, 1. तो 3 इज़ ग्रेटर, यानी हमें इन दोनों में से चेक करना है. नाउ 3 के बाद हेयर इट इज़ 0, हेयर इट इज़ 1, तो विच विल बी ग्रेटर? दिस वन. तो 7310. नाउ रिंग द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड टेक द लार्जेस्ट. तो फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू रिंग द स्मॉलेस्ट वन एंड टेक द लार्जेस्ट वन. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. तो दीज ऑल आर ऑफ 4 digit नंबर. 6 स्टार्टिंग विद 6, then it has 5, 5, 4, 8, 4, 8. तो जो smallest होगा that will have 4 in it. तो इस दोनों में से हमें smallest check करना है. तो it is 6, 4, 5 and it is 6, 4, 8. तो which will be smallest? This one. I'll put a ring here. Now 8 में से we have to check, यानी 6 के बाद जो 8 है उसमें से I have to check which will be largest. तो 8 के बाद 4 इधर है, इधर 5 है, तो that means this will be the largest one. Write in descending order, that means from smallest to largest. 1000, 5000, 7000, 900. तो 900 सबसे छोटा है. 6000 and 8000 हमें लिखना है ग्रेटेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट. तो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है? 8000. आई विल राइट 8000 हियर. देन वी हैव 7000, देन 6000, उसके बाद आई हैव 5000, देन 1000 एंड देन 900. इफ़ यू हैव टू चेक कि आपका कोई नंबर छूटा तो नहीं है, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज़ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means we have done very correctly. Write in ascending order, that means from smallest to greatest. तो 5000, 2000, 500, 200. तो 200 सबसे छोटा है, तो I'll write 200. Then 500, then 700. उसके बाद we have 2000. Then I have 5000 and then 7000. Okay. Now in exercise 2E, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. This I have told you so many times and again I am going to tell you. Greatest number में just go on with descending order. तो descending में सबसे बड़ा number 9 होता है, सबसे बड़ा आता है पहले, then 7, then 3, then 1. And in smallest number we go on with ascending order. तो 1, 3, 7, 9. But if you have 0 with you, तो descending order में again descending order. Greatest number में again descending order 8720, but with the smallest number you have to write second smallest number first and then 0, then 7 and then 9. Got it? Now some numbers beyond 9999, as 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. So how we will write it? So I'll tell you. Rewrite the number with commas and write their numbers. So first of all we'll rewrite them with commas. First of all, write the number. How you will have to rewrite them with commas. 3 digits से पहले comma लगाइए, and then you will get 10,000. You will able to write them. It is 10,000 and 5. Okay. Now it is 16. तो 3 digit से पहले comma लगाया तो you will get 16,000. Got it? Rest of the questions you have to do. I hope this revision video you will able to understand it carefully. Don't hurry up. Just calm down and do the questions very clearly. If you have any kind of doubts, you can contact me anytime. Okay? So good luck, students.